Yo, what's up? Crypto Yalla is here. How you doing, guys? Hope everything is okay. So today we will take a brief look on the market, and so let's begin. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. And in the last video, I'm going to remind you that we observed a tool called Calendar that is on TradingView, and I showed quickly how to use it, where the filters are, how to apply them, and all this info gave it in the last videos. Go check it out. Okay, so in today's video we will take a look at Bitcoin, where we are and what to expect. Also, we will take a look briefly on the stock market, particularly on S&P 500 and on Ethereum as well. Also, I will take a brief look on Hyperliquid, and we will see what we can expect from that hyper coin in the future. Okay, so let's begin. So Bitcoin. We had a nice pump today. Actually, we broke through the resistance that is more visible on the daily time frame. So here is this resistance where we stuck for more or less for 7 days, for 1 week actually, and today we broke up. So the breakout was on with the volume, so you can see the average volume on 4 hour is higher than was average during the last time, so it's a good sign. And we hit 97 almost 0.5k, so that's a nice sign, nice breakout from this area of you can call it bullish compression, or you can call it bullish we could call it bullish compression. So we broke up. Let's see how we behave here. Still, I remind you that this is the area of resistance, and if we start to roll back to the down, it will be not a good sign. So keep that in mind. But overall, still I see that the market has its strength, has the power. So if we can consolidate here for 2 or 3 days, in my opinion, we can even go higher from here. But keep in mind that we have had during the last how many weeks? During the last 3 weeks, even 4 weeks, almost how much? We had 30% upside, up only during the last 4 weeks. So keep that in mind. So this is not doesn't mean that we will get the same 4 or 3 weeks up only. Obviously, corrections could be, so you better be prepared for any correction at any time. So yeah, keep that in mind. Overall, I would like to see a consolidation here on this in this area. And if you take a look on a more smaller time frames, we can see that we are higher than previous weekly high, we are higher than Monday high. So basically we broke upside all this consolidation that we had here. So that's a good sign. Even if we come here, retest this area, so it's a good option, good opportunity to go long if you are not longing yet. But keep in mind, I put here this liquidity block, basically in this area from 94.2 till 90, almost 95k. There is a cluster of liquidations of highly leveraged traders. So keep that in mind. If the price, in my opinion, if the price come down, and will keep going down and will hit 95k, we could see fast mini flush and mini washout of this liquidity, and then I think it will bounce for minimum. Okay, let's see how is Ethereum going. Ethereum going almost the same. I cannot say Ethereum is weaker or has more strength. It behaves almost the same. So we have had this consolidation cluster. We broke to the upside today. So let's see how it behaves here. The warning sign would be if we go back under this Monday high that is sitting on 1,830 dollars, and if we will not quickly go back to the upside and will stuck here under this area, so that's not a great sign for me, and it would be a red flag and possibly an opportunity to short starting from here with the stop loss on these highs. So let's see how it will behave, and on the higher time frames, let's see what we have here. Let's delete all this and we'll see a clearer picture. Overall, Ethereum is doing okay, is doing great, and if we consolidate here, show a little bit strength, so I don't see any reason why we can't go even to this area around where we had this consolidation and where we had this broke to the down. So this area around 2,550, it's possible target for Ethereum, so keep that in mind. Okay, let's see how Hyperliquid is going. Hyperliquid is going great. It's who doesn't know Hyperliquid, let me know in the comments. I will make a separate video only about this token. Overall, we are going up, so this is our high, our low. Expect here in this area another high, could be another low, and I don't see any reason why we can get to 25 dollars per hype in the nearest future, and from that I think 28 dollars could be the next target. But keep in mind that anytime everything can change, so keep that in mind. Okay, let's see quickly how S&P is doing. So during the last time lately, S&P and all the macro picture was not so bright, but still we can say that stock market is holding its line. Yeah, stock market is not crashing this week. It's up. Yeah, it's up 3%. So showing strength, but we are at the key resistance. Could be a little bit problematic here to go only to the upside without any consolidations or any corrections. So keep that in mind. We'll mark it like this. And let's see what we have on the lower time frames. Yeah, basically from here even lower. So we are at the key resistance. So we'll see how it closes the week tomorrow. And lastly, I wanted to show you that tomorrow we have two statistics are coming, two possible metrics that could impact the market and crypto market as well. So keep that in mind. It's mostly non-farm payrolls. We can expect it in the morning in US by US time, and unemployment rate. Also, the Fed is keeping its attention to the unemployment very closely these last weeks. So keep that in mind. The forecasted number is 4.2%, and if it will be higher, or even if it will be much higher, for example 4.4, 4.3 even, it's not a good sign. So it could impact a bit on the volatility. But on the other hand, if unemployment rises, so the participants on the market could assume that the Fed will start decreasing, lowering its interest rates faster. So we will see how the market reacts. So it could be bad news is a bad news, or bad news is a good news. Sometimes it's the opposite of what we could expect. So, but at this time, expect higher additional volatility, in my opinion. Okay, that was it for now. Remember, I remind you to watch my previous video where I showed how to use this calendar, where to find it, how to register, and all of this info you will find on my YouTube channel. So yeah, thanks for watching, take care, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.